Okay. Daddy is trying to pull out Dale's tooth.
Did it come?
Whoa!
Don't swallow it.
Oh my gosh, it's so close.
Bloody.
I know.
Dale,
Yes, the blood's in your
That's
mouth.
normal, Dale.
It gets bloody.
do you want to finish it off?
Wipe
Here,
your
show
finger.
me.
How about wipe your finger on that? No, you already wiped it on your pants. Okay, go ahead.
Are you going to pull it out?
Are you gonna pull it out now, Dale?
Okay, Dale.
Hey, Dale, will you stop
rocking?
licking that paper towel? You have, close your mouth. Close your mouth. Let's give you a drink.
Here's your prize. Here's your prize. I forgot to give you prize to you.
Where's your bud, bud?
Here, Mom, I forgot to give you prize to you.
Go get a drink.
Here, Mom, I forgot to give you
Oh,
prize to you.
thank you, Rose.
Get a drink. Get a good drink of water. Okay, wash that out. Wash the blood out. No, just swallow it. No!
Was that
Why
blood?
are you spitting all over there? What?
Was that blood?
Yes, Dale has some blood in his mouth because I almost got his tooth out. You ready, Dale? Ready to try?